Here's our John Deere 450E. I'm don't have anyone to help me film right now, so I'll just do this by myself. It's got a good leading edge. The undercarriage on this dozer is 80% plus. I mean, your grousers are stand up tall. All your rollers are in really good shape. Final drives are real good. Machine doesn't have any leaks or issues of any kind. Seat's got a couple tears on it, but I mean that's pretty common. Again, 6-way blade right here. Again, these I've honestly never had one steer any easier or any better than that. It's got almost brand new steering clutches on it. Again, a good stand-up tall dozer. I mean, it's not new by any means, but that's a really good dozer at a really fair price.